I recently got asked the question, Andrew, do many or any of the countries you recommend for second citizenship have easy access to U.S. stock markets for investing? I'm a retiree, but still generate a lot of my income through stock and options in the U.S. markets. If I'm pursuing another passport, I'd still want access to be able to continue my hobby. And so the answer is this isn't really a question of stock markets. Now, certainly in the crypto markets and to a lesser extent in the stock markets, we do see restrictions on certain nationalities, but by and large, access to U.S. markets is relatively ubiquitous. You can get a bank account, you can get a brokerage account, you can get any number of platforms that allow you access to the U.S. stock market. The issue is going to be not where your citizenship is necessarily, but if you're moving to another country, what your tax status is. Where are you paying tax? And if you're investing in the U.S. market, things like dividends may incur U.S. rates up to 30%. If you live in a tax treaty country, you can reduce that. If you don't live in a tax treaty country, you can't. So depending on how much you're making from dividends, that may impact where you want to live and pay taxes, which may not impact the passport that you're getting.